All right, guys, we got another one. Let's see where we're going today. Where are we going today? Where should we go? What's date? Let's go to. It's a weird one. Let's go to Tennessee. Let's go to Tennessee. Fuck it. We're in Tennessee. I don't know. Knoxville. Okay, let's go to Knoxville. See what's popping over there. Okay, let's go. I don't know. Damn, Knoxville got it like that. $1 million houses. Where's the hood? Let's go over here. See what we find over here. All right. Let's see this one. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, price cut already. Built in 1965. Fuck it. Let's do this one, guys. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT. Let's add this, plug in this address so it can pull out some data for me while I get everything set up. So as always, guys, I will share this with you guys. And as always, this is the only thing that we pay for. Let's start plugging the numbers. This is also, I always have the link on the bottom in case you guys want to use it. 2,300 square feet. 1965, I believe, and it's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath. That's cool. Yeah, so what's the lot size? An acre. Link to research. Yeah, we can, I guess, add this. Okay, we're gonna plug that in. Next, let's see what's the population looking like. So, all right, 202,000 people. What's the migration trend? So the migration trend is for me is more important in general when it's a smaller market. So like when you're looking at like 10,000 people or like even 5,000 is where it's crucial. I wouldn't even touch 5,000 to be honest, but if you do, you touch it and just make sure that at least the population is increasing, not decreasing. So here it looks like it's increasing, which is great. Again, I normally don't fill this out unless I'm sending this to someone. For us, for me right now, I'm good. Let's see retail sales. What we looking like? Likely 300 properties sold. Okay, we'll go with the likely. So good amount of movement. Price per square feet. Price per square feet is good to know. So you can see if the property you're looking at is kind of within that, or if it's like if it's way more. Is it standing out? Is it $400 a square foot? Now you're talking about looking for a diamond in the rough in terms of someone potentially buying the property, because that's not the norm in the area. So 83, 58, 83, 58. I'm gonna say retail, but let me just see what you think. Yeah, makes sense. Okay. Let's see what that rental looks like. Okay, everything's in good shape. So okay, so I mean, this house is fire. Don't love this, but it's nice. This actually looks kind of fake, right? Am I crazy? This looks like a generated photo. Maybe not. The kitchen looks pretty small for a 2,300 square foot house. Uh, um, okay, it's almost like a split level. It's nice. It's small though. I realize how small that this kitchen's pretty small for a house this size. Um, yeah, it is pretty. It's nice. It's just really small. Finished basement, lots of space. Okay, I mean, so the house doesn't really need any work. Um, okay. Let's see what kind of mechanical we're looking at. 1965, 123, 100. So it's just clearly total price. Let's figure out heating. Okay, so central. Okay, central, half an acre. Public. Nothing crazy so far. Why, sir, are you not? You've got to be overpriced, right? Let's see what it started out in terms of price point. Oof, this isn't good, buddy. So you started, is this right? No, this, okay, no, sorry. So you bought it, and 5 months later you put it up for sale. So you try to flip it, maybe? I don't know. Okay. So you listed at 564, you've gone down. Yeah, you overdid it on that kitchen, on that small kitchen, buddy. Let's see. Let's see 1965. Let's see what's around here. Okay, so there's properties here. Let's zoom in a little bit. What are the chances that I can find the comp here? Let's see. Let's see what's sold. Let's look at single families only. Let's see. Oh, it's a lot. Okay. So we'll probably be able to do it. Okay. So there's a lot happening. I believe our house was, I might be able to get the ARV just in this little box. Let me see. It's crazy. Okay, so gotta check if there's we're in a flood zone too. You can just go, God, you can just go to FEMA flood map, Google that or whatever thing you use these days. Okay, so high to low. So how much are they asking? They're asking 558. The highest price home that's sold. Come on, man. What are you doing? 2006. This house is newer. Similar condition, kinda. I mean, no, this one's not. I mean, it's bigger though. Okay, what about you? 334, so for 47. Okay, nice kitchen. Similar like grade kitchen to the one that we're looking at. Okay, similar. Let's see. So 2,200 square feet, 3.3. Similar. Okay, one less. But how much did you sell for? For 487. I mean, come on. Yeah, younger, a little less land. Yeah, everyone's out here chasing the market. Look at that. You started at 525. You dropped. You saw this person got a drop. Let's just use this for now as a comp for now. For rental's gonna be like 5,000. I always put something like just regular wear and tear that we can't see. ARV comp. So for 487. What was the sell date? Um, Sell date. What am I looking at? 12/18/25. 12/18/25. 12/18/2025. Let's look for another one. Yeah, there's a lot of action in this market. That's the biggest problem. This is, let's see, 565. What's the lowest? 270. Okay, so it's a huge range. Same house, it looks like. Yeah. Okay, this one. Okay, this sold for 440. 2000. Okay, there's no way. That's got to be a mistake. Is this? Wait, is this a townhouse? No. Okay. Yeah, I mean, nice house. Small kitchen again. What is it with small? Is that a thing here? Small kitchens? So weird. This house is almost 3,000 square feet with a tiny kitchen. What are we doing? You've got the power, sir. Okay, nice. No, this isn't. They made a mistake. Okay, weird hill for sure, but damn. Let's see. This can't be right. 2007 again, younger house. I know you probably lasted a while in the market. Yep. Everybody's god damn 513, 575, 555 just dropping heavy. This just sold 20 days ago. Okay. I mean, yeah, we'll use this, but I mean, these are one of these kind of markets that I'm seeing just price dips. I'll use ARV to kind of have an idea, but the trajectory seems like it's going hard down. So I almost need a forecast like what the value of this property is. I mean 558 is crazy. This shit's not moving at 558 unless I see something else. 440 to 626. 2026. Honestly, I don't even need to see anymore. I'm gonna go to as is comps that are for sale and see like what's happening. What are you competing with right now? No way. Is this the only thing for there's no way. Come on, man. Okay, okay, this is what you're competing with. 20. What is it? This thing is 2,300 square feet. 44. Four, yeah. Wait, where is this? How come I can't spot this house? Okay. Hmm. All right, just want to check. Like, okay, what are you competing with? Hmm. Trying to see because how come I can't find this house that we're looking at here anymore? Let me just refresh. Make sure I'm not missing anything. That's weird. Okay, whatever. For now, let's just keep looking. Um, okay, 590. This house is asking 590. Again, small kitchen, whatever. But it's asking 590, 3,000 square feet. You're not gonna sell, right, for this? You just went up? Yeah, I figured you just went up. Oh, okay, so this is a newer build. Maybe. But my thing is, yeah, this shit's got 1,400 views in 7 days. Um, Let me see. What are you? You got another price cut? Yeah, I mean, let's see. Are you in good shape? Yeah, I mean, it's not terrible. Again, 524. It might be less. 499, 484. Yeah, nothing's fucking moving in this market. 2023, very recent. Again, small kitchen. This is so weird. Um, okay, I guess yeah, solid bathroom. Not the best layout, but okay. Yeah, I don't know what this person's gonna sell this house for, but for 2015, like all these houses are also way younger. This I would probably use 499. Oh, I mean. ARV confidence is going to be a 2. As is confidence is going to be a 2. What's the after repair value? I don't even know, guys. Because the shit is, I'm gonna probably list this one at. I mean, I'll probably list this one at 499 and try to drive it up, maybe to 5, maybe 510. Nah, I'm sticking to 499 because I'm soft. Uh, I don't know, guys. I don't know what y'all think, but that's what I got. See you guys on the next one. Oh, if in case you guys do use this, all you have to do is just like press like PDF, save as PDF, and it's a nice presentation too. Nothing fancy, just just press save, blah blah blah, save it wherever you want. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much it. See you guys on the next one.